GlucoFlow Review. All you need to know about GlucoFlow supplement. Do you know that diabetes is one of today's most common diseases? It is reported that quite many people across the globe are suffering from diabetes, especially diabetes type 2. This is why millions of people start to worry about their blood sugar levels. They do everything they can to keep their blood sugar levels just right, including taking supplements. When you decide to take supplements to maintain your blood sugar level normal, you should be careful about the side effects. It will be better if you consume supplements made from natural ingredients like GlucoFlow. GlucoFlow is an ideal supplement to fix your blood sugar and insulin level. It is naturally developed and already tested by experts. Below are the complete GlucoFlow reviews. 1. What is GlucoFlow? GlucoFlow is a supplement made from a totally natural formula to heal diabetes type 2. This supplement fights against the core causes of blood sugar issues. The formula is developed by a professional team that consists of more than 1,450 experts. It is introduced after being tested on more than 3,000 patients with diabetes type 2 who take different medicines. This product has no side effects because the ingredients used are taken from more than 3 continents after a strict test of thousands of trees and herbs. GlucoFlow uses no harmful chemical as well. The product is also already prepared in certified and tested laboratories. It takes about 3 months to manufacture and test 1 bottle of GlucoFlow, so that your health and safety will be ensured. GlucoFlow is an FDA-approved dietary supplement that can help you to treat type 2 diabetes in the simplest and easiest way. 2. Ingredients contained in GlucoFlow. As it is said before, GlucoFlow is an all-natural supplement. It contains only the purest and finest quality of natural ingredients. Below are the natural ingredients contained in GlucoFlow. Vitamin C. This vitamin is necessary to grow, maintain, and repair your body tissues. This vitamin is mainly helpful for healing wounds, absorbing iron, boosting your immune system, and also maintaining your blood sugar level. Vitamin E. This vitamin is known for its anti-aging benefits. This vitamin can prevent the development of cholesterol. So, you will have a healthier heart. Vitamin E is rich in antioxidants. It can help you to naturally fight against the symptoms of diabetes by boosting your immune system. Bitter melon. This natural ingredient is useful in lowering your blood sugar as well as maintaining sufficient insulin levels. This way, you will not suffer from chronic panic attacks. Bitter melon keeps your blood sugar level low and prevents excess glucose storage in different parts of the body. Cinnamon. This spice is a great cure for diabetes. Indians have been consuming cinnamon in their foods for years to remove the problem. Genuine results are shown on almost everybody. Cinnamon makes sure your blood sugar at normal levels. There are still other natural ingredients contained, such as licorice, magnesium, yarrow, zinc, and many more. GlucoFlow's natural ingredients will power up your organs, such as kidneys and pancreas. GlucoFlow makes sure your body produces enough vasopressin. 6 simple lifestyle changes anyone can do to help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Visit the link below in the description to learn more and get GlucoFlow supplement.